what causes an injector to fail? Is it just the time or wear? Or?
So it can be a lot of different things. Modern common rail systems on Class 8 vehicles, those have a lifetime up to about 1,000,000 miles. I think with the new DD15, those injectors really do go forever. What's going to cause premature failure? First and foremost is going to be some form of contamination.
Okay.
So whether that's debris in the fuel that's somehow gotten past the filtration, that's going to wipe out those sealing surfaces that are really super tight tolerances. I mean, you're talking like microns, smaller than a human's hair sealing surfaces, that if there's any sand or debris passing through it, it just kind of acts like sandpaper and wears a groove in it and doesn't seal anymore. So that's one. So we always recommend, use the OE spec in terms of filtration. That's the worst place in the world to skimp out on cost.
How does the warranty work? What does a warranty look like on injectors? Let's say I'm just rebuilt my engine and I've used your parts or parts similar to you. What should I expect from a warranty on these? Like, how long should they work before I'm concerned?
I mean, if you're avoiding any contamination, you're easily going to get, also the typical mileage. I mean, Class 8 type stuff, those guys are doing 100,000 miles a year. You shouldn't have any issues, honestly. But regardless, we still offer, a 1-year unlimited mile warranty on a lot of the products we sell, and even go upwards of 2 years on some products as well. So that's more or less.
Where are they? Like, it's one of those names. It's like Coca-Cola. They're everywhere, but you don't actually know where to go get one of the corner stores. So where would people find Bosch aftermarket parts normally? Is that only dealer stuff? Can they find it at stores or?
I mean, really, you're going to find it. It depends on the vehicle you're driving. For sure, your listeners are going to be driving Class 8s. So the most prevalent you're going to find Bosch is actually at the OE dealer.
Okay.
So, whatever truck they're driving, I'm sure they're carrying the OEM replacement parts, and typically those are going to be Bosch for Bosch OE fuel systems.